Good luck.
No one must know there are dragons in the valley.
I've got two little dragons here with me today, and we are going to be making Dragon Rider inspired cupcakes to celebrate the launch of Sky's new film Dragon Rider on February the 12th, just in time for half term. I've measured out all the ingredients. It should be pretty foolproof. What could go wrong? Everything. Right then, we're going to take in turns to put the ingredients in.
Flour or salt?
You need to put... Oh, gross. From experience of baking with small children, you always need more ingredients than you think. I think that's nice and mixed. Do you want a turn mixing? Don't pick your nose. Nice. Now we need to add the flour.
Me.
So
Me.
you can both do it. You'll do half the flour each, okay?
Me,
So we'll
me
put the
first.
sieve there. No, not in the mixture.
Me first.
And you will do this half in a minute. Don't eat the flour.
It's delicious.
That's disgusting.
No, it's delicious. Can I do it? Yeah, it's a goopy and zip. Mummy!
Yeah.
No.
You-
It's my turn. Let's both do it. Okay. Really fast. Oops.
Now I just realised that I put the flour in before the eggs, which is wrong.
Can I do this?
This is what happens when you bake with me. I do everything wrong.
I...
Right. Oh!
Oh.
Whoever gets the eggshell in their cupcake gets to make a wish. I think we should add a secret ingredient, boys. Okay.
One flap, one flap, one flap.
Oh my god! That's enough. Put it in there. That's it.
Andy.
Those are for later for decorating. Don't growl at me. Okay, I think we're good to go, guys. Now we are ready to bake these. So let's put them in their cupcake cases.
And then let's eat them.
And then we have to bake them. Right. What we need to do is pop a little bit of mixture in each case. So it's about half full.
Mummy, and these sprinkles in.
Those are for the topping, Rhea. Stop eating all the topping. Oh, I forgot to put another one of the ingredients in, so half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I think that's about half a teaspoon. I'm not quite sure how these are going to turn out. They did go a bit off-piste. Grayson, do you remember when you were little and we did that, when you were little and we did baking and you did that cute little dance?
Here comes the crocodile going to swim pool. Wow! Here comes the crocodile swimming in the swimming pool.
These are going to go in the oven now, and then we are going to decorate them with little dragons' eggs on top, aren't we? My two little dragons.
Can I take this off?
Let's get these in the oven. 15 to 18 minutes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Cakes are cooled, and now we are going to make some dragon's nests. These are our Dragon Rider cupcake creations. I think Grayson's one of the best topping. Look at that. That is a dragon's nest, if ever I saw one. So we're off to go and watch Dragon Rider on Sky now. It's available from the 12th of Feb. We're gonna go and enjoy our dragon-inspired cupcakes whilst we watch. Let me know if you also managed to make any dragon-inspired cupcakes over half term with your little ones, and we'll see you guys all soon.
Look.
Yours is the best one.
Nani,
Nani,
nani, nani.